So when you're looking for something at night, start looking for things, come find them, reach around. Flashlight is really good for that. Simple. I like the flashlight. It's powerful, very light, very bright. You guys can see that. All right, today we're gonna take a look at a solar charging station slash USB and portable. This is perfect to take out hiking with you. It has a little clip so you could clip onto your backpack or to your belt clip. It has a compass when they're lost, and then two LED lights, and of course the charging panel. So this is a solar charging panel, or you could actually manually charge it with a USB, micro USB. Now there's a power button here. This is actually to control the lights, and it's very rugged, waterproof. And then you guys can see these two are USBs to go out, type A, and then the micro USB goes in the center. This is to charge it if you want to manually charge. If you want to actually physically charge it outdoors, you can do that, or you could just charge it through the actual cable. So let's go and put it to the test and see how it works. The charging station is perfect. You could be charging two devices, if you guys can see that, and automatically you could leave it in the sun while it's charging. You can leave this part in the sun, not the phones themselves, but just this part. I like the LED light. I like that it has a compass in the back in case you get lost. There's a lot. You could set this up on your backpack, on your trails. This is a perfect companion for you to go camping. You could light up other devices with it too. If you have LED lights that connect to USB type A, you can light them up. You could use this for battery and then charge it through the day and use it through the night. So I like that you could take two different devices. We have an Apple device and a Droid device charging from the same station. All right. When I'm playing games, I'm always running out of actually power, so I'm always have this on right in my next to me just so I could continue charging the actual station. I got a long cable. I could be wearing them at the same time, making sure that I'm charging my actual headset. So it's not a bad item. I like to have it right next to me as an emergency all the time, even though that I carry this in my car and I put it in my dashboard all the time so it could continue charging. And then I know it's always full. There's always power in here. Guaranteed there's always power because of the sun. So I like to carry it around, have it here right next to my desk. So when I'm playing games, I like to make sure that, I'm charging my headsets too. All right, let's go. Go. Keep walking. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.